with this video, I'm going to show you just a few things that I do, which is inviting you to watch short videos. Okay, because I just want to make this as simple as possible, because I can talk for another 5, 10, 20 minutes about this and software, and you got to go here in order to make this work, and all of a sudden you just think you have to have all these systems and softwares and crazy things and almost wish upon a star to be successful. And I'm just telling you straight up, you don't have to. Okay, you don't have to go to college or city college. You don't have to put in 1 week to 1 month to 1 year of just sitting and watching educational training videos before you can take action and start making money. Okay, because at the end of the day, you want to make money. You want to have fun doing it, be entertained, and you want to kind of do things that you can accomplish at least every hour or every day, so that when you go to bed at night, you feel like, hey, you know what? I'm getting there. I'm getting more comfortable posting. I'm not so embarrassed about telling people, hey, I got an opportunity. Please watch this video. Hey guys, I'm going to send you an email. You know what? Click this link and let me know what you think. Or maybe you'll do a video like what I'm doing. I'm just talking to a webcam right now. Or you have a cell phone and you talk into it real quick. Guys, I'm excited about something. Please go to this link. And then people, they might click that link. And if they're turned off and don't want to do whatever that you want them to look at, then they're just on their way and you're on your way. And if they're interested, they might save that link and watch that video repeatedly. Because all the videos that I recommend you watch, they talk about the opportunity or the service, the price, everything, so that I don't have to. I love making videos like this where I just invite you to a link. But I'll tell you what, when those videos pop up on your cell phone screen or on your computer screen and you can watch them, you're going to start believing, I think I can do this. I've got the budget. I've got $49. I've got $49.95. I have $25 for business cards. I'm already on Instagram or Facebook. So you probably have a nice place to sleep and eat and drink and poop. And you probably got one of these darn things. Guys, this is all you need. Cell phone or laptop. I recommend home computer, actually. Okay, but it's up to your budget. But if you have a cell phone, guys, everything that I recommend that you do, I really want you to do, and I am telling you straight up, I want you to copy what I do. Okay, and if you can improvise and make things bigger, better, thicker, stronger, and it earns more money, great, let me know, because I'm not shy. I'll make a video about it. I'll help you, whatever it takes, because I'd say this in a lot of my videos. Everything that I do is pretty much affiliate based, so if you make money, so do I. Okay, that is the best incentive for me to help you. Let's just be honest. But I'm a charming, kind of cool guy. That's why people can call me, they can text me, they can email me, they can inbox me on my Facebook, or get a hold of me on my YouTube channel. Just comment below this video. Okay? Because the more I talk to you guys, I learn what's the roadblock, what's making you stick or stuck. And then I try to make videos or write an email that you can give to people if they join your opportunity so they don't get stuck. It's all about making it as simple as and pleasant as possible. Because if you can create duplicity? Can you make people do this? All right. I know my chain, sometimes it makes noise when I do that. But if you can make people duplicate what you're doing and make it fun and simple, they'll probably get a couple people and they'll get a couple and so on and so on. And that's the beauty of this type of business, is because when a lot of just normal folks like yourself on planet Earth start joining your opportunity and they find other people that have a couple bucks and they do the same, it really does start turning into big chunks of moolah. Okay. In America, that's cash. Okay. It could be a peso, could be a lira, a yen, but wherever you live, you probably need currency, money, could be cryptocurrency. But you need to eat, you need to sleep, you need to buy things to drink and put on. Okay, unless you're on an island where you can run around in your skivvies, you probably want to buy a shirt and hat and shoes and maybe something to hang around your neck. Okay, but it all, it makes money. It takes money. Now, does it take money to make money? I mean, that's true in a lot of jobs. But I think that if you got a couple $100, we can get you a business card. We can get you into 1 or 2 opportunities, to where you have an email system, you have a funnel system, you have a business that people want to pay you for knowledge or information or education. Or in LiveGood's case, just really good protein powder, magnesium, CBD oil, could be essential oils. There's so many things that LiveGood sells just as a tangible product. Where's my CBD? Oh, here it is. All right, for aches and pains, 750 milligram of CBD. You just undo this and you do the little nipple. You just squeeze the little nipple and see, you put juice in it and you put it underneath your tongue and you let it sit there for a little bit. Okay, but you don't have to buy any products with LiveGood, but it's nice to know that you have a business that people want to join you as an affiliate, and it's because they want to save money on really nice products. Or maybe they want to join something that you have because it's just the best opportunity and awesome education on how to be interesting, compelling, how to storytell. That's all I do. All right, I talk with my hands a lot. Obviously, I decorate with a nail and Hot Wheels and Lego kits and shelves. But whatever your obstacle is, you just need to identify, am I shy? Okay, I don't want to do video. Okay, I don't want to talk on the phone, but I like to email and I like to post on social media. Okay, I like to take pictures of stuff. So maybe if I can take pictures and put nice phrases together, can I make it interesting enough where people look at that photo and then they read something? They click your link and it goes to a video that tells people about the opportunity, the system, the education, and why they should get a debit card or a credit card, or why they should use cryptocurrency to buy something from you. Okay? This is my opinion that I've learned over the last year and a half doing this business. People join people. Okay? Whenever people join me at LiveGood, I've had a couple people join me just in the last couple of days. They said, there's other videos out there. There's a lot of education and a lot of information about LiveGood, but you know what? You're there. I can watch you on video, and I think that I can get along with you and that you really do give a damn. And guys, I really do. I want you to be successful, and it's not just because I'm going to make some money if you do. I've got an ego. I've got a complex. I've got a conscience. If I do a video and I encourage you to join me, it's going to cost money. And I'm not out for a cash grab. I'm really not. I'm really good at making money offline. But when I put my real name, which is Cory Draper, my cell phone has been the same for almost 40 years. I've had the same email, Cory@CoryDraper.com, since 1990. I think even, God, it's even earlier than that. Whenever AOL came out, and then you could get your own custom domain. But when I put my name, my real name on the line, it's my real personal, not my business page. I give you my personal private, is it called the profile private page on Facebook? So you can see where I live, what I do. You can see my friends. Okay? I just don't do business and behind the scenes, and then I do a business for 3 to 6 months and I'm gone. Okay? LiveGood is my baby. I'm not going anywhere. But I've added other opportunities and systems and software and tools that will make you an incredible amount of money. The potential's there. I always do this. These are my quotations. I can't promise you're going to make money, but I'll tell you what, if you do what I do, and I want you to copy what I do, as of December 2nd, 2024, if you join any of my businesses, guys, I want you to copy what I do because it's just working. And if it doesn't work, on my dime, I will find a guru. I will go to Fiverr. I will take training courses. I will buy courses. I'll do whatever it takes to find an opportunity that sheds light and traffic and gets me signups in all of my businesses. When people join my businesses, sure, I will make money, and that is awesome. It is a great feeling to know that I can pay my bills. But guys, I want you to do the same thing where you get the same feeling, and so on and so on. If you make money, I make money. In some of my opportunities, if I make too much money, it spills down into your pockets, like in LiveGood. Okay? There's no secret that online business like this, there's a lot of competition. There's a lot of people that can make promises. But all I can tell you is I sit here making like my 3,900th video, 4,000 videos. That's right. I'm going on 4,000 here in a little bit. I put my time and my real name into everything I do. If you lived here in Utah, we could go probably meet sooner or later somewhere and talk about business, maybe talk about cars and rock stars and hopefully music and fun things. But it's nice to know that I can sit and make a video like this, talk to you guys calmly, not fast. I don't have a bunch of production and speedy things twirling in my videos. I just want you to sit down and feel like you know who I am. So if we meet in person, there's no difference. Okay? And then we can go, well, what works for you? How do you do emails? What emails work? Guys, I send you 140 emails that I send out. They seem to work for me and the subjects for free. What software do you use to do this? Can you turn your Gmail into autoresponder? Yeah. Go to getgmass.com. Getgmass.com. I love Gmail. It's my favorite. But I use it as an autoresponder because I think it's easy. A third grader could do autoresponding through Gmail. All right, go to GMass, $25. If you want education, you can go to CoryDraper.com and see the other opportunities that I do. And I do them well. And every one of them pays. And if one doesn't, I just delete it off that CoryDraper.com website. And if something comes along that makes me money, as long as it benefits all my other businesses, just like if I own a pizza place, I want there to be pepperoni. That's kind of cool. How about olive, sausage? Some people like to put pineapple. Some people put those little fishies, are they called anchovies? Ugh, I can't do that. But if you want to make a really nice pizza, you should offer about 10 to 15 things to put on. Because some people just like cheese pizza, and that's fine. But in LiveGood's case and my other opportunities, all of them blend nicely. Just like a plate for your pizza. You'd probably like a napkin to wipe that pretty face. Okay, or maybe a styrofoam box to take your extra pizza home. Do you see how I think online? Everything has to complement. Everything does. I do not sell cars here, and then toys over here, and then paper for your computer here, and then drinks. Okay, it's too scattered. I like everything to just really just go, how you doing? Let's just sit down and relax. Now let's all take care of each other's backs. Let's make some money together, but let's get people interested. Let's get people to join our opportunities and help each other get real good at getting other people real good at doing what we're going to do real good. Okay? You can do this business, guys. Okay? Peace and love. I think CoryDraper.com, that's my, I guess, goal at the end of this video because all my opportunities are there. Okay? Let me just shrink myself up here and maybe you can see what it looks like. There we go. You can see CoryDraper.com. That's what my business card looks like. I just print them out on, what's it called? Vistaprint. You can go online. I get a big old box for about $25. For $5 shipping, total of $30, I have just a box of business cards, and I can hand out CoryDraper.com all day long. On a street level, I don't do video on the street. I don't record myself interviewing people. I don't talk this long about business in person. I like cars and Lego kits and fart jokes and funny movies and stuff. But guys, if you want to copy what I do, I will be so happy. Okay? I'll be so happy. Let's take the guesswork out of everything and let's just get straight to the money. Okay? You can educate yourself for weeks and months and sometimes even years. But there's no doubt in my mind that you can't do any one of these opportunities that I've built here. Okay? You just click the link and watch a little video. Click this link and watch a little video. Click this one, this one, this one. But all these combined, they're designed to make you anywhere from 17 to 20 grand a month. Why? Because I can do that right now, as of December 2nd, 2024. And my goal is to double that. Because once I make it even more fun and simple, to where everybody can just get an email from me and copy what I do, and get to the fun part, which is inviting people to little links and go and slam dunk, boom. You know, if I just promote every day CoryDraper.com, someone will look at one of those links and it will, and I can't promise this for you, but in my case, it'll make me $1 to $5 to $1,000 per day at this point. Guys, I can't stop the income. Once I start doing videos like this, you know, unless I shut down my YouTube channel, there's always going to be a video that is going to catch someone's attention. I'm going to post on social media just fun things. Someone might find it funny and compelling and maybe click a link and watch what I'm doing. Okay? Maybe you'll get a hold of me and I can get you over that obstacle of like, look, I got $100. I have 50. I can join LiveGood for 50. I can join that funnel system for 49. I've got $30 for business cards. Okay, a domain name like CoryDraper.com. It was open, so I just bought it for 11 bucks at GoDaddy. Do you have 11 bucks? Do you have 30? Do you have 50? Let's put together a little business. And right now you probably have a webcam or a cell phone. So in my mind, Instagram, Facebook, and all the other stuff you might already be doing on a computer or keyboard, let's start posting with a purpose. Okay? And what I mean is when you post something, it's going to be entertaining, funny, humorous, compelling. But the purpose is you're going to make somebody probably want to click or ask you about your business. Okay? And it's really exciting when you start having people every day wanting to get a hold of you to join you. And when you start making money, that's the best feeling of all. Because I know you got bills that are probably due tomorrow and the next day, and I know they're due probably every 30 days just about every country. Seems like bills are always based upon, every week or every month. Okay? Let's get you some pay coming in. Okay? Let's just do it now. We'll train a little bit. We'll educate that little brain. But let's get you making money, like right now. Okay? All right. Thank you. CoryDraper.com. There's my goal. Go there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? And get a hold of me if you need something. I am to every video like that. And I mean it, guys. I'm not shy. Okay? All right. You guys have a good day. We'll talk to you next video. Thanks, guys.